Today we'll show how to bypass Vivo Y21 FRP. Start. Next. I agree to the user agreement. Next. I have read and agree to the above. Next. I have read and agree to the above privacy terms. Don't copy. I will connect the Wi-Fi to the device. Don't copy. Use my Google account instead. Next. I don't know what Gmail was before DVC. Press the back button. See all Wi-Fi network. Add new network. Click the microphone icon. Deny. Click the microphone icon. Allow. Permissions. Search icon. Type settings. Go to the Settings app. There is no option to go to Settings. I will type YouTube. Enter YouTube. Notification. Add optimal setting in the app. About. YouTube terms of service. Accept and continue. No thanks. I will type in the search https://ʟɪꯙᴇ. Open set lock screen. I am using pattern lock. Next. Confirm. Press the back button. Open Setting app. System. Reset options. Reset all setting. Reset all settings. Reset all settings. Start. Next. I agree to the user agreement. Next. I have read and agree to the above. Next. Don't copy. I will connect the Wi-Fi to the device. Press the back button. Click the microphone icon. Allow. Permissions. Search icon. Type YouTube. Enter YouTube apps. Additional setting in the app. About. YouTube terms of service. I will type in the search https://ʟɪꯙᴇ. Open set lock screen. Pattern. Next. Confirm. Yes, I'm in. Got it. Press the power button of the device to see that the device lock is set. Got it. Brick button. Disagree. ʟɪධᴇ. Here I will give the pattern lock that I have previously given to the device. Skip. Skip. Now the lock icon is gone. More. Accept. Next. OK. Next. Start. Device is unlocked. Assalamu alaikum.